Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Baik, di sini saya akan menjelaskan feedback micro-teaching atau feedback praktik micro-teaching yang dilakukan oleh Lulu Rahmawati pada meeting ke-12. The first, I will start with domain planning and preparation. The teacher shows a good understanding of the descriptive text material. The explanation about the definition, social function, and structure descriptive identify and description is appropriate for the student level. The teachers also prepares learning activities such as games, group discussion, and reading practice. However, the learning objectives are not clearly stated at the beginning of the lesson. Overall, the planning and preparation are good, but can still improve by stating clear objectives and providing more varied learning research. The next is domain classroom environment. The teachers create a friendly and positive classroom atmosphere. The students feel comfortable participating in the lesson. The teacher managed classroom activities well, especially during group work and discussion. However, there are moments when some students are not fully focused and tend to joke with their friends. The teacher gives reminder, but classroom management could be more consistent to keep all students engaged. The third is domain instruction. The teachers communicates the material clearly and use simple language that is easy for students to understand. The use of questions helps check student understanding of descriptive text to understand. The use of questions helps check student understanding of descriptive text, structure, and language features. That students are actively involved in reading, answering questions, and presenting their group work. However, most of the questions are still at the basic level. The teacher could include more higher order thinking questions to encourage deeper thinking. The fourth is the teacher professional responsibility. The teachers close the lesson properly by reviewing the material and leading a prayer. This shows responsibility and professionalism. However, reflection on the teaching process and documentation of student learning results are not clearly shown during the lesson. Adding short reflection and written assessment record would strengthen the domain. In conclusion, the teaching process runs well and shows a good preparation, positive interaction, and student engagement. With improvement in classroom management, consistency, questioning, and strategies, and reflective practice, the teaching quality can become even better. Oke, baik, itu saja yang bisa saya sampaikan. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.